Today we're going to learn about critical thinking word problem. Let's say we have a problem like this. A square of perimeter 360 centimeters consists of exactly how many squares of area 9 centimeters squared? So we know that the square has a perimeter of 360 centimeters. So the perimeter is equal to 360 centimeters. Now, we know that all the four sides in a square are of equal length. So the length of the side of one side is 360 divided by 4, which is equal to 90 centimeters. So now let's draw a small model of, or small diagram of our square. So this is a small diagram of our square. So all the sides are 90 centimeters. Now, we need to find out exactly how many squares of area 9 centimeters squared can fit in this large square. So we know that the smaller square's area, S for smaller, S for square, A for area, is equal to 9 centimeters squared. So that means that the smaller square's side length is equal to the square root of 9, which is equal to 3 centimeters. So the square root of 9 is 3 centimeters because 3 times 3 is 9. So that means that the side of the smaller square, the length of the side of the smaller square is 3 centimeters. Now to find out how many squares of area 9 centimeters can fit in this large square, we need to see how many of the smaller squares can fit on this side and how many can fit on this side. Then we multiply them to get the number of small squares of area 9 centimeters squared that can fit in this large square. So let's say that this is our small square. So our small square has a side length of 3 centimeters. So we need to find out how many of these squares can fit on this side. So we have to do 90 divided by 3, which is equal to 30. So 30 of these squares can fit on this side. Now we need to find out how many of these squares can fit on this side. So once again, it is 90 divided by 3, which is also equal to 30. So 30 squares can fit on this side. So now we have to find out how many small squares can fit in this large square. To do that, we have to do 30. Let's do this in red. We have to do 30. Oops. That can go on this side times the 30 that can go on that side. This is equal to 900. So that means that 900 squares of area 9 centimeters squared can fit in this large square, which has a perimeter of 360 centimeters. So the answer to this problem is 900 small squares. Today we learned about critical thinking word problem. Thank you for watching this video.